Have you ever wondered how soap is made? It's a question that may have bubbled up in your mind as you lather up your hands. Soap, a simple yet essential part of our daily lives, has a fascinating history and an intriguing creation process. From its ancient origins to the modern methods of production, the journey of soap is as varied as its many scents. So, prepare to dive into the soapy waters of knowledge. Stay tuned to find out the fascinating process of soap making. Soap, an everyday essential, has a history tracing back to ancient times. Our journey starts around 4,000 years ago in ancient Babylon. Babylonians were among the first to master the art of soap making, using a mixture of animal fats, wood ash, and water. Fast forward to the Roman Empire, where soap was viewed as a luxury item. Romans used soap for both personal hygiene and medicinal purposes. However, the process of soap making truly evolved during the Middle Ages in Europe. Soap guilds were formed and the production became more refined. Over time, the ingredients changed, moving away from animal fats to more plant-based oils. The Industrial Revolution brought about mass production. The first soap bars as we know them today were created in the late 18th century. From ancient civilizations to modern times, the humble bar of soap has been a constant companion in our pursuit of cleanliness. Now that we know where soap comes from, let's dive into how it's made. To make soap, you only need 3 basic ingredients. Simple as that, yet each one plays a crucial role. First up, we've got oil. Any type of fat really, but for soap making, we often use oils like olive, coconut, or palm. The fats in these oils are transformed in the soap making process to create a product that can cleanse and moisturize your skin. Next, water. It's not just there to make everything mix. Water acts as a carrier for the lye, allowing it to combine with the oils and start the saponification process. That's the chemical reaction that turns our ingredients into soap. Finally, the third ingredient, lye. Also known as sodium hydroxide, this strong alkaline substance is what propels the saponification process. It's the catalyst that transforms our oils and water into the soap we know and love. With these 3 ingredients, the magic of soap making begins. The soap making process is a careful balance of chemistry and art. It all starts with a basic chemical reaction between oils and lye. But before we dive into the process, it's important to note that safety is paramount. Lye, also known as sodium hydroxide, is a caustic substance that can cause burns if not handled properly. Always use protective goggles, gloves, and long-sleeve shirts when working with lye. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of soap making. The first step is to mix the lye with water. This is an exothermic reaction, meaning it generates heat. Be prepared for the mixture to get hot quickly. Once the lye and water are thoroughly mixed, set it aside to cool down. Meanwhile, prepare your oils. The choice of oil can vary depending on the desired qualities of the final soap. Some popular choices include olive oil for its moisturizing properties, coconut oil for a rich lather, and palm oil for a hard, long-lasting bar. Heat the oils gently until they're around the same temperature as the lye-water mixture. Now comes the exciting part, combining the lye water with the oils. Pour the lye water into the oils slowly, stirring continuously. This is to ensure that the lye reacts with the oils evenly. As you stir, the mixture will start to thicken. This stage, known as trace, is when the soap has emulsified. It's the perfect time to add any extras like colorants, fragrances, or exfoliants. Once you've mixed everything in, it's time to pour the soap into a mold. The soap then needs to rest. This is known as the saponification process, where the oils and lye complete their chemical reaction to form soap and glycerin. This can take anywhere from 24 hours to a week, depending on the recipe. Finally, once the soap has hardened, it can be removed from the mold and cut into bars. These bars then need to cure for 4 to 6 weeks. This allows any remaining water to evaporate, resulting in a harder, longer-lasting bar of soap. And just like that, a bar of soap is born. Not all soaps are made the same way. Various techniques and processes come into play, each shaping the final product that we use daily. Let's journey into the heart of a soap factory to witness the fascinating process of soap transformation. Once the saponification process, which involves churning fats or oils with an alkali, is completed, we move on to a key stage, the cutting and shaping of the soap bars. Enormous cutting machines, the unsung heroes of the soap world, slice the solid soap blocks into individual bars with unwavering precision, giving them their familiar shape. Different cutting techniques and tools are used to cater to various soap styles and designs. For those fancy ornate bars of soap, intricate molds are used to create unique shapes and patterns. Next, the soap bars head for a critical process known as curing. This isn't your typical, let's wait and see type of process. It's a delicate dance of patience and precision that can last weeks or even months, where the soap bars are stored in controlled conditions to allow any remaining water to evaporate. Curing not only hardens the soap bars but also enhances their longevity and lathering ability. The importance of this process cannot be overstated, as it directly influences the quality of the final product. The cured soaps are then packed straight off the line into recyclable packaging, ready for distribution. So the next time you pick up a bar of soap, you'll appreciate the meticulous journey it has. Soap making is a process as old as time, yet as fascinating as ever. From the ancient Babylonians to modern-day manufacturers, the art of soap making has evolved, yet its essence remains the same. It's a delicate balance of science and art, meticulously combining base oils with lye to kickstart a chemical reaction known as saponification. This process transforms these simple ingredients into something truly magical. Soap. We've delved into the significance of each ingredient. The base oils, which can range from olive oil to coconut oil, provide the moisturizing properties of soap. The lye, on the other hand, is the unsung hero that drives the saponification process. Together they create a product that is so much more than the sum of its parts. Then there are the different types of soap, each with its own unique characteristics. From the hard and long-lasting triple milled soaps, to the gentle and moisturizing glycerin soaps, and the rustic and natural charm of handmade soaps. There's a soap to match every preference and every skin type. Soap making is indeed a fascinating journey. It's a testament to human ingenuity, transforming simple, everyday ingredients into a product that cleanses, heals, and nurtures. The next time you wash your hands, take a moment to appreciate the art and science behind that humble bar of soap.